Above the world where the air grows quiet and the earth sleeps under a veil of mist, we rise. Beneath us, ancient mountains cradle the fog like a secret they've kept for centuries. Trees reach out from the haze, silent witnesses to time. Untouched by the rush of the world below, the wind whispers stories only the clouds can hear. Of solitude, of wonder, of the sacred stillness found only in places like this. Here, the sky doesn't end, it melts into the mountain. And for a fleeting moment, so do we. Let this view remind us how small we are in a world so vast, and in all things, be humble.